What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope we're doing well. We're going to go over from BTC. Currently sitting at 27.2, down 3% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 523 billion. 24-hour volume 19.96 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, this is where I do the majority of my trading, up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. Up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies in the Discord completely for free. And all you have to do is email me or sign up email to one of the exchanges. So I think it's likely we're going to see one more wave down in a wave 5, or potentially reach our technical target of 25.7 of this symmetrical wedge and complete that wave C to the downside. What we're looking to do is complete that WXY. And within the wave Y is an ABC, and within the wave C are 5 waves, and I think it's likely we have one more wave down. Of course, we could break out from here. If we can come up and break this resistance of 28.1, that'd be more confirmation. But until then, I think it's likely we see at least one more wave down to retest 25K. As you can see right here, about 25.5K, as we've been covering on the channel. Retest this inverse head and shoulders before seeing continuation. The 20 EMA has caught up to the candles here, which is currently coming in at 26.3K. So do watch that support, could offer a bounce. And then if you do come down to 25K, it will line up with the 55 EMA. Also on the weekly chart, the 55 EMA is currently sitting at about 25.5K, which is our target. So that could offer support for the price as well. As I mentioned in the previous video, we're back above the 20 and the 55 EMA on the weekly. If I show you on the Bitcoin index, I showed you in the previous video, but we will pop it over quickly here for anybody that's new to the channel. Each time we got back above the EMAs in the bear market, it was a signal that the bottom was in. As you can see back here in 2015, we got back above the EMAs on the weekly, bottom was in. 2018, 2019, back above the weekly EMAs, bottom is in, and we are back above them once again. I know it's hard to see on this chart here, but we are back above the weekly EMAs, as you can see right here. So that's it, just a quick little update. As I mentioned, I am expecting one more wave down to at least about 25.7K, possibly 25K, before seeing potential upside continuation. Of course, we can break out from here, but I do think it's more probable that we see one more wave down. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, so sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Check out my full-length tutorials. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto with the 10 USD membership. Currently, we're in a trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord here. Early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays. It's only 10 bucks a month. You really can't beat it. Same price as a fast food meal or a Netflix subscription, pretty close as well. Spend $10 on silly things every day. So why not spend it on the Discord and see if you get some benefits? All right, gang, sign up through the Patreon link. All links are in the description, in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.